we will learn the step response of RL circuit. Now this is a voltage source, a Vs, and this is your R, and there is a switch connected to your inductor L, right? Now voltage across inductor say V, and current flowing through the inductor is I, and switch is closed at t equals to 0, right? Now what will be the response? Okay, what will be the formula of this IT? So first take this voltage source as short circuited. Then we know that if we apply KVL, this will be Ri plus L di dt equals to 0, right? Now di by I equals to minus R by L into dt, right? Now if we integrate both side, we will get ln I equals to minus R by L into t, and I will be say A, okay, plus A, right? And if we take A as ln I equals to minus R by L into t plus A as ln B, it is a constant. So if I take this ln B in this side, we will get ln I by B equals to minus R by L into t, right? So I will be B into e to the power minus R by L into t, right? Now if I calculate the steady state value of current, means when this switch is connected to the circuit and it is closed, then in case of DC, the inductor will be short circuited. So I will be means I infinite will be Vs by R, right? So this I t equals to B e to the power minus R by, take this I not infinite as steady state, okay, R by L into t plus Vs by R, okay. Now for t equals to 0, what will be I0, right? T equals to 0, I0 equals to B e to the power 0 will be 1 plus Vs by R, right? Now I am erasing this part. Now what will be the value of B? B equals to I0 minus Vs by R, right? Now if I put the value of B in here, we will get that I t equals to Vs by R plus this B is I0 minus Vs by R into e to the power minus R by L into t, right? Now this is equals to your steady state value, so I infinite you can write, plus this is I naught minus this is also I infinite e to the power minus r by L into t, right. So this is the final expression of the current for time t, right. Now do a problem. Suppose a voltage source, say 40 volt, right. Now there is a resistor of 4 ohm and there is a switch, and switch is closed at t equals to 0, right. Now there is another switch by which a resistor and a voltage source, say 10 volt, and this is 2 ohm is connected to the circuit, and this is a 6 ohm resistor, and this is a 5 Henry inductor, okay. Now, and this switch is connected at t equals to 4, and this is your I, okay. Now you have to connect, you have to calculate this I. So if I want to calculate this I, there are 3 instant of time, okay. So I 3 instant of time for time for time t less than 0, okay, and for time t greater than 0 less than 4 seconds, okay, and t less than equal to, and for t greater than equals to 4 seconds. So we have to calculate this 3 instant, calculate this I for this 3 instant, okay. Now first calculate. Hey friends, I am just taking 20 seconds of your valuable time. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If you are not, then please subscribe it, because this contribution from your side will really encourage me to do more videos like this. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Thank you. For t less than 0, okay, for t less than 0, no switch are connected, so there is no flow of current, so I 0 will be 0, right. I 0 will be 0. Now for t greater than equals to 0 and 4, the circuit will be like this: 40 volt, this 4, this is 6, right. This switch is not connected yet, and the inductor is short circuited, and this is I, okay. Now this I can be considered as, say, I infinite, say for steady state value. So here I infinite will be 40 divided by 4 plus 6 equals to 4 ampere, right. And tau equals to this 10, this equivalent resistance is 4 plus 6, 10 and inductor is 5. So R by L by R equals to this 5 divided by equivalent resistance is 10, so 0.5. so IT will be this I means we know the formula I infinite, this I0 minus I infinite e to the power minus t by tau. We know this formula, so this will be 4 plus 0, this is 0 minus 4 e to the power minus 2t. So we take common 4, 1 minus e to the power minus 2t, right? This is for this instant, and for t greater than equals to 4, the circuit will be like this: 40 volt, 4 this is 6, this is 2, this is 10, right? Now I have to erase some part. Okay, now this is 5 Henry. Okay, now take a voltage, say V1 here. Now if I apply a KVL in this node, KCL in this node, this will be V1 minus 40 divided by 4 plus this V1 minus 10 volt divided by 2, V1 minus 10 divided by 2 plus V1 divided by, this is actually 6, V1 divided by 6, V1 divided by 6 equals to 0. Now if I solve this equation, we will get V1 equals to 180 divided by 11, right? Then what will be the value of I infinite here? I infinite equals to V1 by 6, V1 by 6, and if we put this value of V1, we will get the I infinite will be 2.727. okay, ampere. Now what will be RTH, means R equivalent circuit from this side, this parallel this plus this, so R equivalent equals to 4 and 4 parallel to plus 6, right? What will be the value? Value is 22 by 3, right? Now tau will be L by R, and L is 5 divided by 22 by 3, that is equals to 15 by 22. Okay. Now what will be the expression of IT? IT will be I infinite here 2.727 plus I0. I0 is the same value before t equals to 4. So before t equals to 4, I0 is same as the I infinite of the previous instant. So this is equals to 4. this is equals to 4. Previous instant we have I infinite 4, so I0 is the same value of I infinite of the previous instant. Previous instant means 0 to 4 second. So this will be 4 minus I infinite 2.727 e to the power minus tau means 15 by 22 into t. So this is the final expression. So we can write the expression of IT like this: IT equals to 0 for t less than 0. This expression 4 1 minus e to the power minus 2t for t greater than equals to 0, less than 4, and this 2.727 plus this 4 minus 2.727 e to the power minus 15 by 22 t for t greater than equals to 4. So this is the final expression.